Hi, my name is Michael Meier, Meier team at Compass Real Estate. Today is November 6th, so let's talk about this weekly update. We are going to be talking about what's happened this past week in the market with some increases in contracts being signed. We're going to dip into what's happening in the rental market, which is a really interesting, fascinating market that is beginning to slow down, but now seems to be finding its balance. And then we're going to jump into the new development market, and I have a treat for you because that market is really improving. Let's jump in and take a quick look. So first thing I would like to jump into to discuss with you here is this past week, we had 184 contracts that were signed. That's an increase of 9.52% from the week before. So we're seeing an increase in the number of contracts that are being signed. If we look at this on a monthly basis, then we're looking at it so far total over the last 30-day rolling period at 777 contracts being signed. Not terrible, but not the 900 or so that we would like to see at this time of year. But we are definitely increasing, as you'll see, up 33% from the month before. So market's definitely heading in the right direction there. And if we take a look at what is happening on the supply side, 274 properties got listed this past week. That's down 10.4% from the week before. But as you'll see, that is just par for the course at this time of year. The amount of properties that get listed, they start to go down now as we get into November and December and holiday time and the end of the year. Now, one thing that is really interesting to look at here is what is happening in the new development market. New development market had 53 contracts that got signed as of October 30th. That is an increase of like 56%. So that's quite a dramatic increase in the number of contracts being signed, quite a notable thing to take a note of. And when we look at the boroughs and where the deals are happening, first of all, you'll see in purple the New York contracts. We had around 21 contracts that got signed as of this last reporting, which goes back to the 24th. And but you'll see that the number of sales in the new development in Manhattan continue to increase. Big boomerang changes in Brooklyn, where the number of sales had gone down, and now you're beginning to see quite a large, impressive week there in the Brooklyn new development market. One of the most recent sales that have happened in the New York City market is at the Bell Nord, a building I have a strong affinity to, 225 West 86th Street. And one of the sales that went into contract, new development sales there, went into contract, 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 7.350 was the asking price, and it went into contract really quickly. I really like this building. I actually did a video about this development a few years ago that happy to share with you as well. I'm going to try to put it in over here really quickly, but I'll include the link in this email just so you can take a look. Beautiful building. So I do not want to ruin the whole video for you by sharing it in this way. I'm going to include the link. You can watch it. A lot of information about the building, about the development, what you'll see there, a bit of history. It's a really historic building, and it's really gorgeous. So please have a look. And if you have any questions about what's going on with your property, your purchase, the market in general, or you want to talk about what we think might be happening next year, let's have a conversation. Happy to talk about, lots to discuss. This is Michael Meier, 18-year broker at Compass. Talk to you soon.